How to fix GIF PFP not working. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps or applications. Here, as you can see, we found all the applications that you have on your phone. You will now open Discord. When you open it, go to storage, and on storage go to clear data. Click OK and then go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and update in your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like in and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.